Alright, YouTube, it's Martin with the Honest Guys. We're here at beautiful Atlanta, Georgia. We're actually doing a commercial job out here for air duct cleaning. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is going to be a big one, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to go do a quick walkthrough right now. Go ahead and get started, get everything set up. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go knock out that walkthrough real quick. Let's go. Look how bad that is. I'll show you guys better outside. So I'm gonna say we're just finishing up. All right, and then this is actually the box that I was actually in earlier when I was cleaning out this return. The reason why I couldn't clean it out here is just making it still easier to go inside, get it nice and cleaned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned, y'all. Take this out. Get this out. Give me 1 second. Go ahead, take this bad boy out. Ooh, just finished the last one up. All right, y'all, stay tuned for my All right, man. We just finished up. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did. I love doing some commercial jobs. It wasn't bad, but definitely needed to get done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, man. And remember, y'all don't want this guy. You don't want that guy, man. Y'all want the honest guys. Let's go, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.